Let's learn how to draw a cute cupcake. First, draw the cupcake wrapper. Add the frosting. Draw a strawberry. Add wavy line for the top layer of frosting. Add another wavy line for the cake. Draw the eyes and mouth. Draw lines for folds in the cupcake liner. Add some chocolate ball decorations. Draw the outline. Add colors. Want to see more videos like this? Make sure to subscribe and stay updated with all the latest content. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a big like. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Kids Learning Adventures for more learning videos.